Hey everybody, JaMeka here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am doing a unboxing of my latest Dooney Bourke purchase, which is the Saffiano small domed satchel. Now I have the Pebble Grain large domed satchel that I purchased last year, I believe, and I have a YouTube video on that. I will link that below in the description if you want to take a look. So let's get to it. First, before we get started with the small dome satchel, I want to show you the Pebble Grain version. That way you can get a good sense of a size comparison between the two. So this is Pebble Grain, and it's in the color taupe. Also, I have a Pebble Grain hydrangea Dooney Bourke monogram bag that came out a few years ago. This one. And it's a little smaller than the large dome satchel that I purchased last year. I love this bag. I bring it out during the spring because of the flowers. Now we're gonna go on to what you all came here for to see. There it is. And I've got it, I'm probably gonna butcher the name of the color. It's ecru, E-C-R-U. Almost on a very, very pale gray side, I guess. Let's go ahead and open this one. Before we open it more, let you see a good look here. Gold hardware. Love the color. I'm so glad I chose this color. I was trying to decide between this one and marine, which is this gorgeous like navy type blue color, and I thought that was really nice, but I feel like you can't go wrong with neutral colors because you can use it year-round whenever you're in the mood for, you know, a neutral color. Don't have to worry about what, you know, the season or anything. All right, let's unwrap this. So it does look like the Saffiano is much smoother than the Pebble Grain that I showed you. Let's take a look inside the bag. Yes! Got one. So it does come with a dust bag. It's just inside the bag. So if you place an order and you don't see it, it seems to me like they are putting it inside the bags now instead of outside the packaging or the bag's packaging like they used to. All of this out. There is a strap that it came with. I have to unwrap this also. A lot of stuffing. One of the things that I really liked about this one is the interior. It's lined with these pretty blue and white stripes. This is the strap. I used to use my bags as a crossbody, but now I just prefer to carry it by the handle, like a snake. Okay, there is the strap. Let's see if you can. Gold hardware, just like the bag itself. See if I can show the buckle good. And of course it has the hooks that you hook onto the handbag. So you have two buckles here. And it also has the gold hardware, just like the handbag. And the hooks are swivel hooks. Oh, there we go. So now I'm gonna take some of my things out of this bag and I'm gonna see how much I can fit in this small dome satchel bag. The keychain here. on the bag. I personalize keychains and handbag charms, and it is in my Etsy shop. Check out the link in my description. This is the interior. It's got, I believe, enough compartments for what I need to put in my bag. I was still able to fit my things in this bag. That's nice. Alright guys, and that's it for my video. I hope this was very helpful if you're thinking of purchasing this bag. I got it on sale, and I'm not sure if by the time this video gets posted it's still on sale, but it's a nice bag, and hopefully it does well like the other Dooney Bourke bags that I purchased in the past. You guys have a great week, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!